Welcome. Hi. How are we doing? Happy, what is it, Monday? Oh, Jesus, Monday already, huh? Happy Monday, everybody. Let me see what we got here. My man is... My man's cooking his pie and his parsnips. Getting his parsnips on. All right. Are we ready? Let's get all set up here. Man, I used so many tokens last night working on Kriya tools. That's crazy. I had a really good run there, fixing a lot of the apps, making them better. I mean, you know, we fixed. Actually, I fixed them today. The different apps. Yesterday, I think only the spreadsheet app. Yeah, I only worked on the spreadsheet app last night, I think. And today we made a good amount of progress on like different apps. Just kind of fine tuning a couple of things. All right, let me hop in. Let's see what we have to do today. I think we need to kind of tighten up the modal here. I really like this one here. Because I went through a couple different iterations with the building modals. And the other designs that I had, I was like, I don't know how to like have like a normal building modal that I have for like every building, but then fit in some extra functionality for like specific buildings, like the inn or maybe the upcoming trading post that I need to work on. You might actually do that today. We'll see. I was just like, I don't know how to like put that in without like breaking the modal. And this is so good. The fact that we have these different tabs keeps everything, like just separated, keeps everything tidy. You don't have to like cram shit together and like figure out like, how can I display like all this information in like a, tiny little modal like that. And I really like that solution. Like this is clean now. The in services look good, and they look completely different for people that don't own the inn, like other players. For them, the whole thing looks like this. But I don't know if I want to keep this as like two separate columns here. I'm thinking about what if I... Oh, we're doing grid here? Let's not do grid. Let's do flex. flex direction. Sorry, where are we at? Column. We could do that. Let's do column reverse. We could literally just do that. And then we go ahead here. Unowned building modal. And we're turning that back down to 500. I mean, technically this could be less, right? $350 might be enough for an unowned building modal. $450 definitely looks enough. I like that. We could maybe tighten that up a little bit more. Because I think that makes more sense than a wider modal. Having these services like underneath each other. I feel like this is the way to do it. That being said, we could also have two tabs. Services tab and building actions tab. Because I need to keep in mind that we need to do the trading posts as well. And with the trading posts, I have to have like the whole like marketplace kind of display there. And for that, a little bit extra width is necessary. And it would be nice to have that tabbed, I think. Shit. That's hard to decide right now. Because I do like this idea. If we tighten this up a little bit, that we lose a little bit of height. Kind of like that. I think that makes a lot of sense. Just thinking about it. It wouldn't make sense for... Yeah, it wouldn't make sense for the trading post. Maybe it's time to hop in real quick here with our whiteboard. Let's make a new whiteboard. In and trading post modal. Let's sketch this out a little bit. Let's do the in modal. Something like that. I gotta fix my little font issue here. There's like some font loading issues. What is this? Overnight stay. Let's try to like align this a little bit. It's nice to have the spreadsheet app. It's so nice, not the spreadsheet, the whiteboard app. It's so nice to just in general have my own tools I can work with. So overnight stay, eat and drink. Then what is this pickpocketing? And then this is take a room. And then we have 3 more buttons down here. And that is, what is this again? Shit, what is it again? Forgot. Oh yeah, steal, attack, and loot. Yeah. Steal, attack, and loot. Right, so this is what we have right now. Right? This is the design we have right now. Another idea is shit. No, stop. My God. Another idea would be to have 2 tabs here. And this is like in services. And this is building actions. I mean, it should probably be smaller, right? So in services building actions, right? You have like 2 tabs. You got 2 tabs. And we would basically... Dude, what the fuck is this? The fuck? Okay, can I not select it? Is this my mouse fucking up again? Jesus. I need a new mouse. This is bad. This is freaking bad, man. Right, so with this thing selected, let's also give this like a little bit of a sheen here. With this selected, it would look like this, right? And then basically have this one here. Do 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 do. No, not, oh my god, not you. Let's actually make these black. Yeah, I like that better. Not that it matters. Just makes the other stuff pop more. So the in-service, oh yeah, wait, actually in-services, they're a little more. We got 4 in-services. Like this. And then the building actions like this. Yeah. And then let's this could be the modal for basically this could be the modal for the trading post. Trading post, right? And then we would have I mean, basically only have 2 buttons though. That's kind of, 2 tabs. I don't know. Maybe we're gonna make this less wide then. We'll see how wide we have to make it. But we basically have, got our building actions here. And he would have like marketplace or trading. Oh no, wait, we would have three. We would have three. Let's say resource merchant or something like that. Let's call this the resource merchant. Yeah, something like that. And this would be the item merchant, right? Oops, sorry. This would be the item merchant. And here we would have, we'd basically have, yeah, we would basically have the marketplace again. Maybe I should, maybe I should just copy the thing. Yeah. Yeah. The problem with this is, of course, it's not wide enough. Which, you know, I mean, I can reduce these. Move that over here. Something like that. And then we make this longer and then we can fit this in. Maybe we're going to drag this a little bit. You know, maybe drag this a little bit. Something like that. And then for the item merchant, basically the same kind of thing. Wolverine, welcome. Good to see you, brother. Basically the same kind of thing. But for items, I haven't built a UI yet for it. I haven't built a UI yet. How's the roast coming along, brother? Oh, yeah, bro. Maybe more like resources. Items. Maybe more like this. trading post items and then building actions, you have this shit over there. Yeah. I mean, I kind of like that. Man, it really I don't know if I should do it like that or not. I don't know, man. I just need to find a freaking design that I can use for everything. But I do like this. Oops, sorry. I do like this look. This looks good. All this cooking, and I've been happy with just sprouts and gravy. Really? That's all it takes? You don't need that pie? No parsnips? How come you're making a fucking roast on a Monday? Hmm. Is that a gap? We got a gap here? 6 pixel gap? No, that's not it. I want to know where that distance between the buttons is coming from. Makes me wonder. Need a mix up, right weather for it? Yeah, it is. It's very cold. I was sporting my new old jacket, my jacket that I've never worn. It was very warm, very comfortable. Very comfortable. Oh, 20 pixel gap. There it is. I clicked on the wrong thing. Yeah, 10 pixel gap would be enough. And that looks good for a modal. That's a nice, clean, no strings attached, no frills modal. I don't know if I would. I don't know if I would consider not doing that. But then we need a different modal for the trading post. And for the trading post, we do need the tabs. Ding 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 ding. You know what? I think we might have to do it. I do really like the way this looks. I do like the way it looks. Let's see. So the modal, basically, the unowned building modal, unowned in modal, we'd go down to 450. 200 pixel less. And then this one here. B overview grid. Oh shit, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, the problem here is this would affect all of the modals if I did that now. Yeah, B overview grid. Wait, is it not called grid? What am I doing here? Underscore grid. There it is. You got it 4 times. Building data, building type in services card. Layout HTML. Where's the single come in? Is that somewhere here? Or is that just not used? Maybe I'll just add some to it, see where we stand. Let's give this like an ID. Cherry Cola Zero. My God, you're doing too much, brother. I had some knickknacks, some no name knickknacks. Unfortunately, now they were good. I like them. Look, kind of addicted to them. I like the crunch. I like the snackiness. B overview in. Let's just do that for now. See where this leads us. Should probably also save this one here. See if I hit the right spot here. Oh yeah, B overview in. Nice. Yes. So this would be a flex. We don't need the grid template anymore. Flex direction. Column reverse. And that's basically it. And then the gap. A little bit less of a gap. Do I have a favorite veg? Mine is between parsnips and Brussels. I don't know if I have a favorite veg. Probably not. I don't have a favorite anything. I gotta be honest. I like a lot of things and I don't really have favorites. I like carrots. I like cucumbers. I like tomatoes. I don't know, all kinds of shit. Just don't really have favorites. That's the thing. Oh, where was this thing again? There you go. 13.99 remote actions. Let's reduce that a little bit. 13.99. This should be 10 pixels then. Yeah, maybe this is already enough. Don't wanna fuck too much with the modals in general. So I have a massive dislike, mushroom being one. Avocado is yuck. You see, you don't know what you're talking about. Okay, you know what you're talking about. I like avocados. I never really buy them, but I like them. They're like vegetable butter. They're like literally like butter that has grown on a tree. Love them in egg on toast. Yeah, I mean I usually just eat it like that. Usually just eat it like that, you know. ID in metric. So those are the services, and this would be the building actions. Man, we got good songs going. I converted to pickles. Yeah, but you always talk like that's a bad thing. You always talk like you did me a favor with that, and you were right in the beginning. You were just wrong about not liking pickles. And now you realize that pickles are great. So you should thank yourself and you should say, I'm glad I did that. I'm glad I finally saw the light at the end of the pickle tunnel. Okay? I saw the light at the end of the pickle jar and I walked towards it and it was beautiful. It was like a warm hug. A warm, tangy, juicy, crunchy hug. Okay? A hug that you can put on your burger. Oh shit, I logged into the wrong guy and I broke something. Oh no. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot, a loser, microphone abuser. Which one did I? This one here. The B overview grid. Yeah. I should have never done that. Cornichons with honey is what converted you. Yeah, I just like normal, just pickles. Okay, just normal ones. Yeah, I need to figure out. I need to figure out how to put the special ID on the in only. Yeah, this one, the B overview grid. Oh, B overview in. I see. I already renamed that. Did I put it in with the wrong name? B overview grid. Indeed. See, this should be B overview in. That's where it all falls apart. Hello, old school? Pull it over. Thank you. Wait, why is this not working? Oh, I'm an idiot. Of course. This is an ID, not a class. Idiot. Worst designer ever. Gets his fucking IDs and classes mixed up. What an idiot, a loser, microphone abuser. I don't have a building with this guy here. So I have to log out, log into my different guy here. Sweet crunchy pickle is good pickle. Any pickle is a good pickle, except a salt pickle. If you've ever had a pure salt pickle, those are disgusting. Because they're just salty as fuck. They're not like sour. They're not sweet. They're just salty. I picked some up a couple months ago while I was doing the diet. I was like, how bad could they be? Bad. Bad. It's not enjoyable to eat. They're just salty. They're just missing the flavors. Yeah, I know. Are you a bot? Wolverine, are you a bot? You gotta tell me if you're a bot. Okay, yeah, this looks good again. This looks still good. I know. I know. I get the feeling that you don't look like the guy in the video. Ding 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 ding. Man, I'm so tempted to just like redo the whole game using Tailwind. I'm so tempted now. Tailwind seems really interesting, even though I kind of hated that it's not traditional CSS, because I like traditional CSS. I'm an old schooler. Ashes Creation Alpha 2 phase is here. Alpha Beta 39 phase million. What the fuck? Does it still cost money? It still costs money, doesn't it? So how's the state of Ashes? I saw people were talking about them not delivering or like taking stuff out or was something? I don't know. I don't remember what I heard, but I heard something. Definitely heard something. Very nice. Yeah, honestly, this is not bad. I kind of like this. So this works now. Um, do I have? Let me see. Do I have a task for this? What is this again? In? No, actually, I don't. I don't have an in task. I'm just gonna create one as like make um UI for in. Make a services UI for the owner. Make a service. Oh my god, I can't type. Services UI for other players. And we can both check them. They're both fine. And this would be core, building, I don't know, combat, I guess. Fixed all this. Most games just has an alpha. I mean, I don't know. I think Ashes is gonna have something. I don't know if I'm happy with it. It's been a while since I've looked at Ashes and thought I want to play that game. Really haven't looked at it much. Only when like I don't know, Lazy Peon or Force post an update on it. I don't know. Let's see. Where are we at, man? I'm so all over the freaking place. Oh wait, can I not move the trading post up here? Let me move that up here. Oh, it's at the bottom now. No. I need the option to like move this up. Ugh. Sucks. Anyway, so for the trading post, we need a UI for the trading post, right? Let's work on that. Oh shit. Maybe I'm not gonna work on the trading post now because I just remembered. Oh shit. All right, let me fix this here. Make UI. Make trading post UI for the owner with trading post resources UI for the owner with min max buy sell price Yeah. Min max buy sell and is that it? Is that everything we need? Let me just quickly take a look at the city thing here. Set prices for the city stuff. Yeah, buy sell min max. Yeah. Make a trading post items UI for the owner with min max buy sell price. And which items? Oh man, this is gonna be tough. I think I might extra time to think about that. I might need extra time. So we might not do that now. We're not doing that today. I gotta think about that. That's gonna be tough. Probably just have to like sit here and like just close my eyes and just like let my mind wander a little bit. Figure out how we can build a UI for that. All right, better admin page, buyable recipes in the library. I have to define recipe bundles still. I haven't done that yet. Treasure maps. That's an interesting one. I think we're gonna put the skill delay in. Not delay, the decay. Sorry. Today, I can't type. Today, let's implement skill decay. Every skill has a base value and a current value. The current value is the actual skill the actual what do you say? How do you say that? Current value is the actual skill level that a player has in a particular skill. The base is how much of that skill a player can realistically keep. Without decay. Decay should reduce the current skill value every like once every day. Once every day. I don't know. Complicated. complicated shit. So decay should reduce the current skill value once a day if it is higher than the base skill. I gotta sneeze. Oh, dude, my nose is killing me. Horrible. Should reduce the current skill value once every day if it is higher than the base skill. I gotta sneeze again. Oh, brother. The sickness. Man, I can't even focus on my work here. Decay should reduce this current skill value once every day if it is higher than the base skill. We will reduce the current skill by 10% of the Is it the difference? By 10% of the difference? I wanted to go like 10% of the current value, but I think it's the difference. We will reduce the current skill by 10% of the difference between current and base. Example. 50 current skill, 40 skill base. Brother, my nose is going crazy right now. Woo. 50 current skill, 40 skill base. Difference is 10 points. We decay 10% of those 10 points. So 1 skill point decay during the main server tick. Is that understandable? Do you have any questions? I think I explained that way more complicated than I should have. We'll see what Gemini has to say to that. Maybe Gemini is gonna flame me for being stupid or so. Game mechanics service file. This will contain the skill decay logic. Do we need that? Do we need a file for a simple skill adjustment? I don't know why we need an extra file for that. Can we not like run this in the server JS? We already have tons of time-based events in the game. We didn't need a file for that then either. Now it's too late for that now. Simple and robust solution, please. Yeah, just tie this into the daily server tick. Like I don't understand this approach of like, oh, we're gonna make an extra file just to handle this teeny tiny function that just literally just cross checks the two skill values and then reduces one of them if one of them is higher. Go ahead. Go do your thing. You aren't allowed to look up into the sky until at least November. To keep your eyes closed. What do you mean? What are you yapping about, brother? What is this all about? Just to be sure, it only reduces the current skill if it's higher than the base, right? Cool. Let's see if that works. Did I upload it already? I think I did, right? Yeah. Brother, explain it to me. What is the what is this about? Why can't I look up in the sky? I never look up in the sky anyway. Because I never go outside. I never see this guy. I mean, a lot of stuff has been defunded. When's it supposed to be here? All right, let's see. Let's look at the animal handling. 65 and 20. The difference is 45, so I should lose 4.5. So I should go down to 60.5. All right, I'm gonna run. Oh wait, actually, before I do that, I gotta make sure my city is. Oh yeah. What do we need here? Furniture, meat, and wheat. Furniture, meat, and wheat. Furniture? Really? Yeah. Meat, wheat. Wheat don't bother me. Wheat don't bother me. Furniture. When's it supposed to be here? Do you have a date? All right. Let's see. Let's put that in. Wheat, meat, furniture. Furniture. 19,000. Hell yeah, brother. Making money. Making my own money. End of October past the sun. So you said it was at it just came past Mars, which means it's going to be here in like a week or so. Is that what you're saying? If it makes it to the sun by the end of the month, it should be here in like literally like a week tops. If it just went past Mars, it's going to be here within like the week. All right, let me let me think about it. Man, I'm so distracted right now, and I need to focus on my game. I gotta get the game done before the aliens come here. All right, and now we're good to go. We're gonna run the main server tick. Everything okay? Yep, main server tick. All right. Very nice, very nice. Oh yeah. But actually, I lost 3.5. I lost 3.5, but that's all right. So skill decay works. That's nice. You love to see it. You love to see it. Skill, skill decay done. Let's find another small one. Didn't I have like another thing that I wanted? Did I not just like think about some? Oh yeah, just school costs. Yes. 4 times more. It's 4 times more. 4 times more XP. It's 55. 10% more. Okay, I gotta write this down. For X XP. 10% X AP. Then we go from 37 to 100, so almost 3 times more. 3x coins. Yeah. Okay, now let's adjust training costs in schools. School.js. School manager. I actually need to check how it's implemented right now. Training should cost. Yeah, training should cost AP as well. So yeah, it's still only like 50 and 55. But the gold pieces go higher, 850 from 10 to 11. Yeah. Or 37. Yeah, 37 for one. But this okay, I don't know, the formula for this is weird. Formula for this is freaking weird. Might have to poll a little bit. It's double. I don't know if I can actually put that in. See, this is like another one where I have to like reverse engineer the formulas. I'm really trying to figure out what to do now. Let's adjust the nation PP formula, actually. Since I cannot do this one yet. Let's adjust the formula for nation politics points. All for the leader, even distribution, and then none. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Currently, we have the options none, even distribution, and all for the leader. We need to rename those to feudal. Equal and dictatorial. Also rename. Yeah, I can rename that another time. Also distribution mode should be governing style. Feudal. Everyone keeps their politics points. Then we got the equal. All PP are combined and then evenly distributed amongst the members. Rounding up where necessary. Can't have a leash outside of the nation. All politics points from all members are combined and then evenly distributed amongst the members. Rounding up where necessary. Can't important. Can't have a leash outside of the nation. Leashes outside of the nation will be auto dropped once the nation switches to this governing style. And then we have dictatorial. Members only get 50% of their PP. The other 50 goes to the leader, but only up to a max of 100. But only up to a max of 100. Can't have a leash outside the nation. Is this understandable? Do you have any questions? All right, let's see. Let's see what the almighty AI has to say about that one. Yeah. Obviously. Okay, let me see, because this ties in with this formula. Should the new distribution logic apply to the entire PP amount a character generates for the day? For the dictatorial style, when a member gives 50% to the leader, is the max of 100 cap applied to the amount received? The new distribution logic should function as its own PP income stream separate from other sources like cities, vassals. The faith rank PP reduction still needs to apply. Yeah, wait, actually. And should combine with them. So, example, 5 PP from the city, 10 from vassals, 3 from the nation, equals, what did I say? 10, 5, 18. 18 total daily PP gain. Then for the dictatorial side, when a member gives 50% to the leader, is the max of 100 cap applied to the amount received from each individual member. The 100 max cap is the maximum amount that the leader can gain through this governing style. We need to figure out what to do with the overflowing combined PP from other members. Maybe we should give part of the unused PP back to the members? Question mark. Another note. We also need to change the PP gain, the nation PP gain from members and tiles. Here is the actual formula for that. Tiles divided by members divided by 5. Cap to the amount to the number of members. So let's say you have 100 tiles divided by wait, actually, wait, is that for real? Does that make sense? Got 100 tiles, got 20 members. That'd be 5. And then we divide by 5 again. Is that... I'm not sure if that's like per member or not. Let me grab that. Let me pull that over here so I can cross-check this. Ten people, 100 tiles. 10 tiles per member. Yeah. Yeah. And you get 2 out of it, yeah. In a nation with 5 people and 200 tiles, that would be 8. But you only have 5 members, so you cap that at 5. Okay. 20 people, 2,000 tiles. Okay. Honey, then you don't. How do I add that back into the thing here? Whatever. Gonna open a new one here. All right, let's yeah, let's just send it out. Whatever. Storage is full. It's so funny that now that I have implemented storage, building storage, I get these mails constantly that my production couldn't run because my storage was full. It's funny. That's very funny. Very, very funny. No. The governing style and the nation PP from land and members are separate things. The leader gets PP for the size of their nation based on the formula that I gave you in addition, the governing style can either let everyone keep their own personal PP or evenly distribute them amongst the members, or take half of their personal PP away to give them to the leader. So these are separate systems. Does that clear it up? Clears it up perfectly. Thank you. Separation of two systems makes much more sense. Yes. For my final listeners, System 1 leader's bonus. Nation leader gets a personal separate PP bonus calculated with the formula. Yes. This is unrelated to the governing style and for the dictatorial tax. If the total tax collected exceeds the leader's PP cap, what should happen to the excess amount? My suggestion is to return it to the members who it was taxed from proportionally. Yes. Sounds good. Let's do it. Refactor nation governing style. Hell yeah, brother. Nation service. Let's do it. I hope this works. Refactoring the politics service. Hell yeah, brother. I hope this all makes sense. All changes have been implemented. Could we potentially let me log in real quick. Let me see how it looks. I think we should probably add some info to it so people know what these things do. Let me see. Yeah, it didn't rename the thing. We still need to rename the new governing style names, and we should also where would we add this? We should also add a little info line below the drop down to give extra info on what these governing styles exactly do. What they do with PP and potential liege. I think it probably completely ignored the fact that you can't have your liege outside the the nation. What they do with P and potential liege restrictions. Okay, so only that. Given info. Yeah, let's just say that. I also want a mail, like a mail for the nation leader every day for the main tick that basically says you made this much PP from your nation size or something like that. You made this much PP from your governing style, and maybe some other things like how many taxes were collected. Where are you now? Yeah, that's good. That's good. Where are you now? Okay, diplomacy manager. That's over here. Another diplomacy manager. Corresponding event listener calls. Yes. That'd be nice. And another diplomacy manager. I don't know why he has to do everything like one by one little step at a time, instead of just editing the whole fucking fight. And another 5 diplomacy managers now. All right, cool. Let me look at that. Equal dictatorial. All members' personal PP is pooled and distributed evenly. Leisures outside the nation will be dropped. Members keep 50% of their personal PP. The other 50 is taxed by the leader up to 100 PP cap for the leader. Leisures outside the nation will be dropped. Feudal. Members keep their personal PP. No redistribution. Hell yeah, brother. Safe style, governing style updated. Hell yeah. You love to see it. Anyway. Now let's send the nation leader a daily mail when the main server tick happens. In this mail, we will inform the leader how many PP he earned from members and land owned, how many PP he earned through the nation's governing style, the total number of members and if there were any changes in member numbers. Total number of tiles owned, and if there were any changes to the total number from yesterday, from the day before, from the day before. Are there any changes in numbers from the day before? What else we need? What else we need? Get the PP. Member tiles I mean, it's shown here too, but I think like having like a centralized little piece of information that locks all this probably probably nice to have. And probably taxes, right? Probably gonna put in some taxes as well. The amount of taxes claimed from production buildings on nation land. What did I do? I forgot what we did. What the fuck did we do? We did the governing style, updated the nation formula, right? What else did we do? Oh yeah, skill decay. Added skill decay. Corrected nation PP formula. Corrected nation governing styles. Create a new database table. I'll start by creating a new table called Nation Daily Stats to store the total member tile counts for each nation at the end of each day. This is necessary to calculate the change. Does this plan sound good to you? Sounds great. Let's put them in. Oh, dude, my nose is so tingly. Nation report service. Oh yeah, we get a new service file. Very nice. For this feature, it's actually needed, I think. It's like a complexer one. There's a lot of spilled canvas on this playlist. It's a lot of. I mean, it's actually not a playlist anymore. We went off the punk playlist, the punk and emo playlist, and now this is like just random stuff that's like in the same style as the playlist. So I never know what it's going to be. Hmm. What is he doing now? What is he thinking about? Come on. Come on, Gemini. Get her done. Get her done. Get her done. Yeah, not sure what he's doing. He's been thinking for a long time now. I think I might give this like another like 30 seconds. If he doesn't do anything, I'm just gonna cancel and ask if everything's okay. Oh, we got it. There it is. Okay, framework is done. Politics service will be modified to return a more detailed object containing the final PP map. Yeah, let's do it. Another change for the server JS. My God, this project is just growing every day. There's like new files and new shit constantly. Dude, just look at all these freaking files, man. We got big file combats. How is the combat service so big? Holy shit. Production service, spell service. Those are service files. They're just huge. My God, this project. Nation report service. Need to verify the send message function signature from diplomacy.js to ensure I'm calling it correctly. I'll check that file now. All right. Confirmed is correct. Daily nation report feature is now fully implemented. Well, I sure hope so. Let's test it. All right, we're gonna run a main tick. Let's see if we got. Oh, daily report. Yeah. Here's your daily summary. Politics influence. PP from nation size, 0. PP from governing style, 0. That doesn't make sense. Total members plus 0 from yesterday. Total tiles owned 19. That's correct. This report is automatically generated each day. Nice. That's a nice little info dump here. But PP from nation size is 0. Is that true? I kind of want to drop my cardinal rank. My rank is cardinal. And starting at the rank of chaplain, you will have to keep up your sacrificial stuff. Yeah, but at the rank of priest, you will become a member of the convent and gain voting rights. So I have to drop 2, but I can't. I could try to convert to a different guy here. Maybe Irvin. I could convert to Irvin. Let me try to do that. Oh yeah, I am converted to Irvin. Yeah, that's nice. Wait. Wait a second. Is that normal? Wait, let me refresh that. Might have not grabbed the thing. Why am I cardinal here? And I'm a believer here. Prove your worthiness. Oh, that's not good. What? Faith Irvin. Faith rank layman. Yeah. This should be yeah, that's a problem. Oh, I might have to let me add this real quick. Only one faith at a time. Make sure that the old faith is dropped when converting to a new one. For faith RP stats. Oh shit. For faith RP stats. I'll have to look after that another time. We'll see if we can test the PP now. Okay, we need wood for the city. City population happiness 60%. Why is that so fucking small? That's crazy. 60%. Dude, I gotta make my city happy. What was it? Wood, right? I needed wood. Making sure the city is doing fine. All right, so 60% happiness, and we got 10.3K. Let's run another main tick. Look at the city. Oh yeah, we grew. And the happiness is going up. Very nice. And we got more politics points. Nice. But I'm not getting any PP from the nation. Which is weird. I should get PP from the nation. Should I not? No, actually I shouldn't get any from the nation. That makes sense. I should have more tiles. You know what? I'm gonna go around. We're gonna claim more tiles. Claim land. Claiming all the land. Claim all the land. Oh, it's so easy to claim land, actually. I'm not sure if the costs are correctly calculated here. That's crazy. Now we got 42 tiles. So based on the math, that's like, what did I say? What did I say was the formula again? Tiles. Oh, yeah. So 42 divided by 7 divided by 5. So I should get 1.2, huh? I don't have a calculator app in my thing. All right, give me the calculator. Let's say 60 divided by 7 divided by 5. 1.7. Trying to figure out what the a good value would be. Let's say 100, 7, 5, 2.8. So 75 would get me over the 2 easily. I just want to see if this works, if the calculation works. So you got to get like 30 more tiles here. Yeah, the Sangrewaria nation is growing by the second. No one can stop me, okay? I will own all the land. Give me all the land. Could also kick a member. Could kick out a member and then I would have a better split. All right, what are we looking at now? 74, sorry. Let's get one more. Bang. Hell yeah, brother. And now, let me also make sure the city has everything it needs. We need wheat. Wheat don't bother me. Well, let's throw some wheat into the city so we can run a daily tick. Because I don't want to lose my city happiness. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny that I'm getting antsy about like not supplying my city and losing city happiness, even though I'm like the only fucking guy on the server. I'm the fucking dev, and it really fucking doesn't matter at all. Oh shit, I actually, oh no. Oh, I accidentally ran the thing. Oh, we just lost some city happiness. Oh, we're down to 52. God dang it. Hey, there you go. PP from Nation. PP from Governing Style. Man, I'm getting all the PP. I'm getting all the PP, just like your mom. Yeah, this works fine. I like this. Let's do a git commit and then we're out of here. Guys, thanks for coming. Appreciate you. Hope you liked it. Add it. Daily Nation report mail. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy, have fun, stay safe, all the good things. Get ready for some gaming towards the end of the week. But we're gonna do more dev streams tomorrow. Today's Monday, right? Yeah, more dev streams tomorrow. Probably on Wednesday too. Maybe on Thursday we're gonna hop into New World or something like that. We'll see. We gotta do it. You know how it is. But yeah, that's it, guys. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back tomorrow. I'll see you then. Stay safe. Hope you had fun. Until then, bye-bye.